No worries, it's that time of year again, and I'm prepared to give you exactly what you need in time for the holiday season. For the sellers out there with equitable interest in your property ready to sell right now, I'm delivering checks at the closing table.
Check for check.
And for you buyers out there, it may not seem like the right time to buy. Oh, but it is. Me and the elves are working endlessly to deliver down payment options, negotiate closing costs, and the best part of all, your new keys to your new home.
Yep, I'm working on the keys.
You can't forget about the big red balls.